Hello YouTube, this is Spencer, and today I'm going to show you how to take apart the Toshiba satellite C675 and replace the AC/DC power jack cable harness. This is the harness. Okay, I've already taken out the battery and all the screws, but I'll show you which screws that you have to take out. You have these two right here under the battery. And you have all the ones that I have a label F5. You want to take out all those, which that's already been done. And then you'll flip it over. And you'll have a little strip right above the keyboard. You want to take something and gently pry a little bit of it up. And just be careful not to break it. And just slowly pull up this little strip. And they're very easy to break, so just be careful. Once you get that off, you would have 4 screws. Those 4 screws you'll be able to remove the keyboard. Just be careful, don't snatch it up, because you have a cable, a little thin cable that's connected. I've already disconnected it. It's a little ribbon that pulls right out of there. And just replace that to the side. And then you'll reveal some more screws that you have to remove. You'll have one here, and another one here you have to remove, one there, and one right there. Once those are removed, you also have another little ribbon here that you have to remove, and you'll see a wire right through here, and it's also connected, and you want to remove that one also. You can just gently pry these up. Alright, and then just slowly lift it up, and you'll be able to see there'll be a little prong here. I've already disconnected it, but you just remove it from the motherboard. Set this to the side. Then in here up top on the left, that's where your AC/DC power jack cable is. And you got 2 screws right here that you want to remove. And it's holding up the actual monitor, so put a little bit of support behind it. And then you just pull it out and unplug it right here through the motherboard. And then grab your new one. Slide it right back in place. Run your wire and reconnect it. Alright, once it's reconnected, you can go ahead and start putting it back together. Okay, now it's time to test it out and make sure it works. And we got a light. Alright, thanks for watching.